Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on Samsung S25. Let's begin. So, first and foremost, let's go into settings. Let's go into our display options. And here we can just make sure that we do have adaptive brightness on. If we have it off, then it just won't work. So let's go to adaptive brightness, and as you can see now, it will automatically bump up the brightness if we are in a very light space, bright space, or lower it if we are in a dark space. And I would say that this is basically it, but sometimes it just does not work, and it's pretty okay if it's not working. So then, in case that this is for some reason not enough, you want to basically restart the phone. Restarting the phone should basically restart the sensors as well. So in order to restart the phone, you can press the power button and hit power off, or if you have a different shortcut, because by default the power button actually just sets and enables your Google Assistant. We can expand our control center, and here we can press the power icon and restart the phone this way. And now we shouldn't have any issues after we are done. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.